Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be doing this fall gradient with gold flake trees. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the gradient today, I'm going to be using 3 colors from the Holo Taco Tea Creams collection. Bring Me the Teal, High Tea Hibiscus, as well as Butterscotch Hop, which I'll also be using as the base color. And then for the tree, I'll be using the Gold Flake Taco from the same collection. Once I have my base color applied, I will be protecting around my nails using liquid latex. If you don't want to wait for your base color to dry, you can go ahead and add a quick dry top coat as I did, and then I applied the latex. Now that that's dry, I'm going to begin building my gradient on a sponge that is about the length of my nails. If your nails are shorter, you can trim it so that the sponge is a little bit shorter, and if your nails are longer, you can go ahead and use the longer side of the sponge. I'm going to be applying the 3 colors. I might need a little bit extra since this is the first sponge, with a little bit of overlap but not too much, and of course being careful to keep the brushes clean as I stick them back in the bottle. Then I'm going to go ahead and start sponging my nails. I'm going to clean up around the edges, and then I'm going to add a quick dry top coat to help speed things up before I add the nail vinyls. For my vinyls, I'm going to be using these Spooky Tree vinyls from What's Up Nails. They're kind of an intricate design, and they're a little bit tricky to get properly on the nail, as well as a little bit tricky to peel off of the sheet. But I really like the design, and once you get it applied, it's not too bad. So pull off the outside, and then what I'm going to do is try to align the top of the tree with the top of my nail. The inside branches have a tendency to tangle together a little bit, but I'm just going to try to be patient with them and get them to all lay properly flat. Once I have the vinyls applied, I'm going to add just a little bit of latex to the corners where the vinyl doesn't cover. Once the latex is dry to protect the corners, you can go ahead and start sponging. As you see, I've already done on 2 fingers without realizing I wasn't recording. And you want to remove the vinyls after the final layer of flake is sponged on. Once I've removed the vinyls, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I think it doesn't necessarily look like trees from every angle, but even when it's got more of an abstract swirl vibe, I really love the way these colors go together. If you'd like to see some of the other gradients I considered as my base, as well as the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.